In this tutorial, I will show you how to create clip art using Canva Magic Studio. First, open Canva and log into your account. Click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Enter 100 by 50 pixels and create a new design. This will open a blank canvas for your clip art. Next, go to the Elements section on the left side. Search for the type of graphic you want to use, such as animals, shapes, balloons, clouds, or other simple illustrations. Click on an element to add it to your canvas. Resize and position it so the design fits nicely inside the canvas. You can combine multiple elements if you want to create a more detailed clip art design. Now you can use Magic Studio tools to customize the image. For example, you can use Magic Grab to isolate a subject from an image and move it freely inside your design. You can also use Magic Expand to extend the background or add extra visual space around your clip art. If you want to add motion to your clip art, select the element and click Animate at the top of the editor. Choose an animation style such as pop, bounce, or fade. After adjusting the colors, size, and layout, review your clip art design and make sure everything looks balanced. When the clip art is ready, click Share and then Download. Choose PNG to keep the image sharp and ready to use in other projects. That is how you create clip art using Canva Magic Studio.